Today I'm creating this beginner-friendly pink and silver eyeshadow look. I'm first starting out with a little bit of concealer, applying that all over my lid and blending it out with my finger and setting it with a little bit of translucent powder. Getting into the shade Panettone with a Luxie 235 blending brush and applying that into the outer corner following the slope of my lower lash line upwards and just kind of blending out the edges. This is the Taste of Christmas palette from the Let It Snow Globes 3-piece palette set from Too Faced. So I'm just blending this color in the outer corner to kind of add depth and a little drama to the outer corners. Dipping into the shade Gumdrop with a Morphe H2 brush and applying this on the center of the lid, blending it into that Panettone shade, using little side-to-side motions and the little feathering motions on the edges, kind of feathering it up into the crease as well, but being careful not to bring it up too high so it's not touching the eyebrow. Just making sure there's no harsh edges. Next, I'm dipping into the shade Sleigh Bells and applying that into the remaining portion of the lid, bringing it towards the inner corner, and then again feathering all the edges, kind of feathering it up into the crease and as well into the pink so you have a smooth transition between the two shades. The H2 brush again, I'm dipping into the color Marshmallow and applying this into the inner corner and then feathering it into the Sleigh Bells shade on the lid, adding a little bit more of Panettone to the lower lash line and then blending out that bottom edge, adding a little bit more depth to the outer corner with Licorice Twist using the Luxie 235 blending brush again, like so, just maintaining that V shape in the outer corner, making sure there's no harsh edges. Next, with the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, I'm adding an inner corner wing and then slowly lining my upper lash line using little tiny strokes, making the line thinner towards the inner corner and gradually making it a little bit thicker towards the outer corner. Cleaning up any uneven edges on the top edge of the liner and then sketching the wing using a light hand and then drawing the bottom portion of the wing following the upward slope of the lower lash line, filling in the triangle, and then I made a little bit of mistake on the tip, so I'm using some concealer in an e.l.f. concealer brush to clean that up, curling my lashes, and then going in with the new Too Faced Naturally Better Than Sex mascara on the upper and lower lashes, and then gluing on the Velour Lashes Understated, which I trimmed down and applied to the underside of my lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!